Right, today I'm making bolognese. All of the ingredients, the weights and the prices will be at the end of the video, so if you want to pause. I'll start by getting your mince into a hot pan. I'm using a high fat content mince, so I don't need any extra oil, and I'll remove some fat later. While that's browning, you just want to get your vegetables cut. You could do this in a food processor. So I'm going to remove some fat out my mince, as I'm using a high fat content mince, just with a paper towel. I don't want to take too much out because obviously you get a lot of flavour from the fat. Once you've done that, add your vegetables, salt and pepper, and just soften the vegetables. Straight in with your tinned tomatoes. You want to wash your tins out of about half a tin's worth of water as well. Give that a mix, temperature down, lid on, and then you want to get your water on to cook your spaghetti. I like to heavily salt my pasta water. I don't add much salt to the sauce, but I do add some of the excess pasta water to my sauce. It makes it really velvety. So I get my pasta in. I'll be cooking it on the lower side of what the packet says. I want it nice and al dente, and it will keep cooking once I'm mixing it with the excess pasta water. So at this stage my sauce is nice and thick, my pasta is almost cooked, so I'm just going to remove some of the pasta water and then I'm going to strain my pasta. So when everything is done, in the bowl or the pan that you cooked it in, you want to get your sauce, your pasta water, and you want to mix that for a couple of minutes, I would say. That will make the sauce really, really velvety. So when I filmed this, I was only actually cooking for 2 people. I'm just about to release a short on what I do with my leftover bolognese sauce. How's that?
Go over it, yeah. Push the spaghetti bowl back a bit on the camera.
And there you go, Parmesan on top obviously. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!